All right, so in my previous video, the video got cut off, and so I have to do question number 28 here. So this is the continuation of factoring polynomials when the leading coefficient is 1, and this is question number 28. So if you take a look at this problem, I have my polynomial right here, and then I have this negative 14 over here. In the previous example, the polynomial was equal to 0. So there was a 0 right here. But we have a negative 14. I want to move this over to this side, so that way I can get a 0 right here. So I have negative 14, which means I'm going to have to use my inverse operations and do something that is the opposite of this negative 14. So give me a moment. Cool, and we're back. So in order to move that negative 14 to the other side of my equal sign, I added 14 to both sides. And once I do that, okay, negative 14 and positive 14 cancel one another out, so I get 0. Drop down that equal sign. Over here, this 14 is constant, okay? It is not a like term to negative 9x or x squared. So since I can't combine it with anything, just drop down that 14 and rewrite the whole polynomial. Now, this is something that we know how to factor. So go ahead and use x method to factor this polynomial. And there it is. So I went ahead and I used x method to solve my polynomial. So put my constant right here at the top of my x, my middle coefficient at the very bottom, and then these two numbers are two numbers that multiply to positive 14, but when I combine them, they give me negative 9. So a negative times a negative will give you a positive, okay, and that'll give you a positive 14 in this case. Negative 7 plus negative 2 will give you negative 9. Remember, same sign, add them, and you keep the sign. Okay, so I got negative 9 here. Now that I have these two numbers, which is what I wanted, I could write my answer in factored form. And that's it. You're done. So you will see plenty of questions like 20, 24, and 28, the ones that I just did right now. So hope this video was helpful. And if you have any other further questions, send me a message through Remind. All right. Done.